We're unboxing the Redmi Note 11S. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. So this just launched along with the Redmi Note 11 and the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. So I'm not gonna dilly-dally in this video. We're gonna be unboxing this. We're gonna take some sample shots and we're gonna do a quick camera tour. Let's start. The Redmi Note 11S. Same branding on the sides. Let's see. SIM tool. Ooh, so many accessories. We have a screen protector, paperwork, jelly case. We have the phone, but we'll put that to the side and see what else is in the box first. We have the power brick, power cord, and what else do we have here? That is all. Onto the phone. So the Redmi Note 11S has a 108 megapixel pro grade main camera, a 90Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED dot display with dual speakers, 33-watt pro fast charging, and 5000 milliamp hours battery with a MediaTek Helio G96 processor. Ooh, that's a nice matte back. You do get smudges, but it isn't as bad. We have the Redmi branding here, 108 megapixel main shooter, and that is a total of 4 cameras, a teeny camera bump, volume rocker, fingerprint scanner and power button, speaker grills, USB-C port. On the other side is the SIM tray. Let's see what it takes. That is, whoa, a lot. Dual SIM and a micro SD card. You guys, there is an audio jack, speakers, IR blaster up top. Let's power this thing up, and in the meantime, you know what's coming, a montage. Now, as with the Redmi series, Xiaomi usually releases 3. The lower mid-range device, which in this case is the Redmi Note 11, the mid-range device, this phone right here. And then you have the upper mid-range device, which is the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, which hopefully is coming soon, so I will make a video on that phone as well. Stay tuned. And so that makes this particular phone the Goldilocks of Xiaomi's Redmi mid-range series, which is quite impressive considering the specs: a 108 megapixel camera, 5000 milliamp hour battery with 33-watt fast charging, and even a 90Hz display. Right, camera tour time. So we go to the camera app. We have wide, 1x, 2x, up until 10x. Up top, you have flash settings, HDR settings, you have AI, you have your different filters, beauty mode. You also have Google Lens, and even more settings up here. So you have size, timer, you have a movie frame mode, a macro mode, tilt shift, and time burst. On the right, you have your portrait mode, and this gives you the option to adjust the blur. As you can see, the background behind me changes. And then up here, the same settings. At the bottom right, you have your beauty mode, you have your different filters. On the right, under more, you have a night mode, and you can do 1x, 2x, up until 10x. You also have your settings on the upper right here. You have a 108 megapixel shooter, so this means that you can shoot 108 megapixel photos. That's 1x and 2x right here. You also have your filters available and the same settings. You have a short video mode. It's downloading right now, but what this is basically is Android's solution to cameras not being optimized on social media. Basically, it gives you a dedicated mode for short video with different effects so that you can share this straight to whatever social media platform you want to share it to. So up here, it gives you the option to change background music while you're recording. And so when you tap here, it should show you all the different social media accounts that you've signed into in the phone. It doesn't show now because I don't have any yet, but you get the idea. It's also pretty fun, so you can do wide up until 6x. On here, there are different filters, beauty mode. There is this really cute kaleidoscope mode that we've seen in Xiaomi devices. You have a super slow-mo mode or a super fast mode on here. Under more, you also have the panorama mode, document scanner, slow motion mode. There's also a time lapse and the ability to edit the actual camera app. On the other side, we have rear video, and you can do 1080p 30 fps. You have a movie frame mode, a macro mode. You also have, of course, a beauty filter on the rear camera, your different movie filters, and then your flash settings. You can do wide, 1x, 2x up until 6x. And there's also beauty mode here. You also have a pro mode, and this is for video and photo. This means you can change around all the different settings. You can use your wide, ultra wide lenses. There is no selfie mode on the pro mode. On video, you can do selfie mode, hey, and then you can do 1080p 30 fps. There's a movie frame mode. There's also a beauty mode. You have different filters as well. And can you zoom in or out? No, you cannot. You have your photo mode, which also gives you a more dedicated, more detailed beauty mode. Now, again, I always say use the beauty mode like makeup when it's the real you, but you know, imperfections are normal. Moving on, filters on here. You have an HDR mode, you have flash settings. You also have a selfie portrait mode that allows for the blur in the background to be adjusted as well. This gives you a beauty mode, filters, although the beauty mode with all like the different settings can only be found in the photo mode and not the selfie portrait mode. And then we're back to more, which we've already seen, so time for some sample shots. And that was the Redmi Note 11S. Of course, it's just our first look, and if you want a camera vlog test or a social media test, let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time!